Guys, what is this?
I'm gonna find a honey spot.
Everyone is starting! Radioactive banana!
Hey, throw the bananas in there. Come on.
Oh my gosh!
Bring the, come on. Bring the banana in. Bring the banana in. I'll protect you.
I'm out!
Go, go, go. Put them in.
Put the bananas in! Now! Put the bananas in! We need more tea! We need more bananas! We need the radioactive bananas! We need everything we got! Alright, that's what we only need radioactive bananas. Put them in and keep getting born! Kill them all with your laser guns if you even have one. I want 30 research points just from mine. She's getting bored! It's a team position! Get the radioactive bananas, we need the radioactive ones. Radioactive banana! And I got one!
That's radioactive.
Oh, hey.
Wait, is everybody here?
We need backup!
Let's explore, let's explore. Hey, come on, let's explore, stop. Let's explore.
Guys, I could use
What if
some
we're supposed to
backup.
go down? What if we're supposed to go down?
Alright, I'm gonna go test that.
We're supposed to go down, go down.
Where are y'all?
I don't know where we are now.
Alright.
Did any of you bring backpacks? Why did none of you bring backpacks? I think this is what's the final. I think we're done. Is there anything else after this? Hey, dinosaur, nothing else?
Guys, I need some help.
Where you guys going?
Guess this is it. Wait, there is? I thought this was the final because this, oh!
There's turrets or something.
Spider-Verse! Bro, we went in the Spider-Verse.
Can we put the key here? Okay, the key doesn't go.
No, I think we take the, oh, Gore, over here.
Over there, over there. Come on.
Gore.
I know this is epic. Emma, stop hitting me.
Well, I think we need to turn something off.
Wait, let's turn it. We gotta turn it. Yo, we gotta turn
We gotta turn it to something. We gotta turn it somewhere.
it. Yeah.
Oh, I know we're supposed to turn it. We're supposed to turn it into the white things, which are not connected. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
I'm gonna try to get this one.
it. Alright, go down. Oh.
Where are we? Ah!
Where's the now?
What do we do? What if we have to break the cord? What if we have to break the cord?
Where you guys at?
What is it?
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Alright, do that one.
I gotta finish the last one. What did I do?
Where did I do it? Whoa. Oh! Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Base offline. Wait, come on.
Up here, guys. I think we go up here.
Wait, come here, guys.
Up here, guys. We just activated
come
a
here.
flipping black hole. Wait up, guys. Wait up.
Wait, it's over here. Come on, come over here. Come on, over here. Hey, are we on the moon?
What is happening?
Whoa, there's a CD.
Moon! Moon!
Oh my goodness! What the heck? Over here.
Bro, guys, this is the best.
That's sick. No, that's mine. That's mine. Give it back. That's mine. Get this out of here.
This is so
Where's my CD? Okay. I'm gonna take the CD. Oh my goodness. This is the moon base. This is the moon. Now watch me whip.
Yeah, they teleport you if you eat them.
Oh shoot, that one's still going.
Dude, this is the best
Eat
update
them.
ever. Dude, I never thought we'd ever see this update. I never thought we'd ever see this ever again.